And now I got a message from the Google action required to set up bill account with a valid payment method in your app engine app. So this app I was study and I create it in my Google console, and now I don't want to pay anything on this project. I want to delete my project. So just click on my console, and then we go to Google Cloud dashboard and click on my project. I have two projects and I want to delete it all. So I just click on three dot and project setting, and then I go to shutdown, and this is the um, detail well to tell you when you want to shut down that project. And okay, you can read it by yourself, and I just copy this name and paste this the project ID, and it's shut down anyway. So project is pending deletion. Project okay after July 10 and 2025. Okay. Okay, and I go to cloud again, and I go to booking room, and then I go to three dot and project setting and shut down one more because I don't need it, and now pass and shut down. Okay, this is the how to delete the project from the Google Cloud, and now on everything is okay. Non-organization. Okay, and go to project setting. I was shut down all of this, and I think it may be shut down or delete after 10 of July. Okay.